In my 27-foot Globetrotter shower, there's a round ventilator used to remove moisture from the air. I realized that the thin insulation used to make sure the vent was airtight when closed came loose and made a funky sound. So I set out on a mini adventure to fix it. Here you can see some of the loose foam. So I'm going to take off this cap, only 2 screws lifted up, and pull out the foam, see if I can fix it, or do I have to buy some new foam? Okay. You can see how this is. Oh, it's completely broken. Yeah, there's some more of the foam, so you can see that it just kind of sticks around the outer edge of this. Looks like it was held on with some tape. So, should be pretty easy to fix. I made my way over to Home Depot to buy some insulation. It cost around $4. All right, we'll take the insulation and adhere it. And we'll just go around in a circle. I wish all Airstream maintenance was this simple. I'll just break it by hand, press it down. Nice, look at that. Kind of tighten them on alternate sides. You can see it kind of pulls down a little bit onto the foam, hold it, making it probably an airtight seal. All right, I think that's about as tight as I can get it. Okay, I think we're done.